How to edit Facebook Reels after posting. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let me guide you to edit Facebook Reels after posting. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch Facebook app on your device. Make sure that you sign in to your account. Proceed by tapping three-line menu icon at top right. Tap on your profile at top of your screen and locate your reel video that you want to edit. Ultimately, you can easily select the three dots of the particular reel video. And on this menu, you can find out edit reel. Select that. And on this page, you can easily choose the audience, that is who can see this reel. You can easily set it to public, friends or friends. Let me choose to public and select on button and tap on the save button. Moreover, you can easily delete this description of this reel video and then add a new one as well. You can add hashtag as well. You can mention any friends of your choice. And after you have edited, tap on the save button. So in this way, you can successfully edit the Facebook Reel video after you have posted. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.